Are you dreaming of a home that blends modern living with rugged functionality? Welcome to the world of contemporary barndominium homes with shops, where sleek design meets practical space. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur, a hands-on DIYer, or someone who simply wants a stylish home with room to work, these barndos are redefining the way we live and build. In today's video, we'll explore how these innovative homes combine cutting-edge architecture with versatile workshop areas, creating the perfect harmony of comfort, efficiency, and bold style. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the modern charm of barndominiums with a built-in shop. Contemporary barndominium homes with shops have become one of the most popular and versatile residential design trends in modern architecture. These structures blend the industrial charm of traditional barns with the clean lines and functionality of contemporary design. What makes them even more appealing is the addition of an integrated workshop or shop space that serves both personal and professional needs. In today's world where flexibility, efficiency, and aesthetics are highly valued, barndominiums with built-in shops offer homeowners a unique way to live, work, and create, all under one roof. Originally, barndominiums were simple metal buildings designed to serve as living quarters attached to barns or storage areas. However, over the years, the concept has evolved dramatically. Today's contemporary barndominiums are architecturally stunning, energy efficient, and built with high-end finishes and modern conveniences. The inclusion of a shop space elevates their functionality, making them perfect for entrepreneurs, hobbyists, tradespeople, or anyone who wants extra room to work or store equipment. The appeal of barndominium homes lies in their open concept floor plans, high ceilings, and expansive layouts that can be customized to suit various lifestyles. The contemporary style often features large glass windows, minimalistic interiors, and a seamless blend of industrial and organic materials such as steel, wood, stone, and concrete. These homes are designed with intentional simplicity, prioritizing clean lines, open space, and natural light. While the living quarters are designed for comfort and elegance, the attached shop space is engineered for durability, practicality, and efficiency. One of the main benefits of having a shop attached to the home is convenience. Whether you're a mechanic, an artist, a woodworker, or simply someone with a lot of tools and outdoor gear, having a dedicated space to work on projects without leaving your property is incredibly valuable. For small business owners, this setup allows you to run your business from home while keeping the work environment separate from your living space. This balance helps increase productivity and reduces the overhead costs of renting a separate commercial facility. The shop area itself can be customized to meet very specific needs. Some homeowners choose to include roll-up garage doors for easy access, high ceilings for lifting equipment, commercial lighting for detailed work, and reinforced floors to support heavy machinery. Others might opt for a more artistic setting, with custom workbenches, ventilation systems, and even gallery space to display finished pieces. Because barndominiums are typically built with a steel frame, the interior space is free of load-bearing walls, allowing complete flexibility in layout and design. Contemporary barndominiums are also known for their energy efficiency and low maintenance. Many are constructed using insulated metal panels, which provide excellent thermal resistance and durability. Combined with energy-efficient windows, LED lighting, and modern HVAC systems, these homes are not only beautiful, but also sustainable. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and smart home technologies can be easily integrated into the design, appealing to homeowners who are conscious of their environmental footprint. Another advantage is cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional stick-built homes, barndominiums are often faster and more affordable to construct. The metal frame structure allows for quicker assembly and better resistance to weather and pests. The ability to combine your residence and workspace into a single structure also means fewer materials, reduced utility costs, and simplified maintenance. Over time, this can lead to significant savings while still delivering a luxurious and modern living experience. From a lifestyle perspective, contemporary barndominiums with shops support a wide range of activities and life stages. Families can use the shop for storing bikes, camping gear, or setting up a home gym. Retirees might turn the space into a garden workshop or a classic car garage. Entrepreneurs can operate small manufacturing setups, online businesses, or art studios. For rural and suburban homeowners, the shop area can also serve agricultural or mechanical needs, supporting tractors, ATVs, or livestock supplies. Design-wise, these homes often blur the line between rustic and modern. The exterior might feature sleek black metal siding, wood accents, and industrial-style lighting. Covered porches and wraparound decks add charm and functionality. Inside, open kitchens, polished concrete floors, exposed beams, and large island counters create a contemporary yet welcoming atmosphere. High ceilings and tall windows give a sense of spaciousness, while custom cabinetry, luxury appliances, and minimalist fixtures enhance comfort and style. Another exciting feature of barndominiums with shops is their scalability. You can start with a small footprint and expand as your needs grow. Many designs are modular or open-ended, allowing for the addition of extra bays, loft spaces, or even full guest suites. This flexibility makes barndominiums a smart investment for growing families, remote workers, and anyone who wants their home to adapt to their evolving lifestyle. The growing popularity of these homes is also reflected in online communities and design platforms, where homeowners share ideas, floor plans, and construction tips. From DIY builders to luxury developers, the barndominium movement continues to attract a diverse and enthusiastic audience. Social media and YouTube are filled with inspiring walkthroughs, build vlogs, and design showcases, proving that this trend is more than just a passing fad. It's a revolution in how people think about home design. In addition to personal use, barndominiums with shops can also generate rental income. With platforms like Airbnb and VRBO, homeowners can offer their unique property as a vacation rental or workspace retreat. Travelers looking for something different are often drawn to the rustic modern charm of a barndo, especially one with outdoor amenities and scenic views. The shop area could even be marketed as a creative studio, event space, or workshop for short-term use. Overall, contemporary barndominium homes with shops represent the perfect marriage of form and function. They offer the beauty and comfort of a modern home with the practicality of an industrial workspace. Whether you live in the countryside, the suburbs, or even on the edge of a small town, this type of structure can provide everything you need in one thoughtfully designed package. It supports work-life balance, encourages creativity, and invites homeowners to reimagine what's possible within the walls of their own home. As the world continues to shift toward remote work, self-sufficiency, and sustainability, the barndominium with a shop is likely to grow in popularity. It's more than just a house, it's a way of life. One that values open space, purposeful design, and the freedom to shape your environment in a way that reflects who you are and what you love to do.